Alright guys, hi, welcome back. Oh, don't mind Nanny Mukfi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I changed my name to Gaming with Lily Rose, so today's gonna be an ASMR video. I'm gonna just never mind, I can't turn it off. There will be ads in it, so just don't mind if there's any ads. So yeah. It's cool. This is a really good slime game, so I'm gonna make I'm gonna show you one of my, actually, never mind. I'm gonna just actually, yeah. If you want to know what this game is, I'll text it in the comments, and yeah, so let's make a slime. I wanna make a watery slime, so add some of this. But this is going to be an ASMR video, so when it gets to the slime part, I'm going to put ASMR. Okay, this is green. I'm going to put some green in this. Oh my god. ASMR. I told you guys there's going to be a few ads. Don't mind the ads, by the way. I can easily just skip them. Okay, it wants me. Alright, ASMR. Okay, this is ASMR. Oh, okay, thank you for the teacher queens. Oh no, I don't want to. Oh, what the hell? I don't want to. Thanks. No. Okay, let's do a chest. Open. Ooh, I've got some penguins to collect. Don't mind. Okay, I'm gonna just do the slimes I've made so it's easier. This is actually a really good slime, so. Just don't mind the ads, it's so, basically I go to, oh no, I failed. Oh, I'm gonna put black on the black sheep, okay. That's good. And let's do the ocean. I made these slimes, by the way. This is, I'm gonna tell you the name instead, so, because I'm gonna end my video early, because I'm gonna make a new video soon. Well, in a minute. It's called Super Slime. Okay. Bye guys.